we're gonna try out these 30 candies from Japan that I got online for 20 bucks for the whole pack of 30 candies. And I believe it comes with a sticker. There's a sticker in there. Yeah, so thanks for coming. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm Carmen. This is Ernesto. It's my nephew.
How's it going, guys?
And
welcome back.
Yeah. And we are going to be trying these today. And then at the end of the video, I'll link some of our older videos that we have of us trying stuff. And you can go ahead and check that out. Okay?
Heck yeah, they're fun reactions too.
So I went and opened it up. And so I think we'll just grab... Actually, I'm going to get my sticker out.
Oh, you get a sticker?
Japanese Happy Snacks is what it says. Yep, Happy Snacks.
That's awesome.
And he's happy. Okay, so go ahead and pick one from the top. Okay. So what is it? It's like a strip snack of some sort. It looks like an Airhead or something.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what it says on the front of it. There it is.
But if somebody could translate that, definitely put it in the comments.
But I don't know. I like them because it just looks so fun. It reminds me of like an arcade or something.
They always have the best designers, really.
Don't they? Everything always looks super cool. I'm pretty sure this is just like a sour candy.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you go.
Thank you.
Oh, that's an Airhead Extreme.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's what it says. I don't think that's what it says.
Different characters.
I like it. It's good. It's got a good flavor to it.
Yeah, you can taste all the colors. Even though that sounds weird, you can't taste colors, but I'm saying, like, the flavors.
Okay.
Alright, I'm
So
gonna
that
have
one
to
was
go
good.
with this blue bag right here in the front.
So these are... Oh, it says Texas corn on it in English. So maybe they're just kind of like a... They kind of feel like how Cheeto Puffs feel. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So it has a little octopus on the front of it. See, I don't know. I just like their packaging. It looks fun. It has little polka dots and stuff on
Makes
it.
me want to try them.
So they look like this. Oh, I dropped one. Like little puff balls. Okay, eat it. Doesn't it remind you of like Kix? They just have like
cereal, yeah.
but they just have like some like seasoning on it.
Yeah,
But
they do have some kind of like a seasoning.
But Kix are corn too. You know that cereal Kix? That's what it tastes like, except this one just has like seasoning on
It's an
it.
orange box.
But the actual, I don't know what to call it, like chip itself, tastes like Kix, and then they just put some seasoning on it.
That seasoning is pretty good too. It's
I'm into this.
This could be a snack. Might have to order a full bag.
But what would we put in the thing? Texas corn from Japan.
I'm gonna just type in.
No, they're so good. Almost ready for me.
Yeah, those are actually good.
Yeah, those are really good. Water break.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like a
Oh,
marshmallow.
it's marshmallow. This reminds me of those like unicorn marshmallows that have like a stick
Yeah, I remember
that
those.
you get from like the dollar store.
It also feels like the Peeps.
Yeah.
It's like, because when you squish them, it comes back up to like.
Peeps are marshmallows. Okay. Boop. A lot of marshmallow.
The coloring too is good.
Yeah, I think it's just marshmallow. It just smells like marshmallow. Yeah. That's a marshmallow. I cannot read any of it. But it has a cute little marshmallow man on the front. Kind of looks like the Michelin Man when he was a baby.
His baby pictures are exposed.
I am so into these ones.
Those are good.
Those are like addicting. I feel like they could sell those here.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna have to go with the next big bag of things.
Okay, this one. It says mini.
Just a mini on it.
It says mini on there. So they're mini something. And we got like a little pop star going on. Pretzels or like corn sticks or something.
They're probably gonna be like those like
Ooh,
things you put in salad.
Yeah, well, that's what I was gonna say right now. They have like a little picture of a salad on the back.
Okay, so I'm
Perhaps.
thinking what I'm thinking is that they're gonna be the salad toppings,
Ooh, like those
like the little breadstick things.
yeah. Okay, I'll just pour some. So yeah, they look like little noodles, little crunchy noodles. Oh, I think I ate mine too fast. I couldn't taste it.
It tastes like not like a barbecue, but like
Is it
like a chicken flavoring kind of thing.
Yeah, like corn sticks, but they taste a little. Yeah, they taste a little bit like Norwisa, the stuff we put in like the rice.
Yeah. Let's shoot these back guys.
Yeah, I would put those on salad though. I would put that on salad, like a Thousand Island dressing type
Ooh.
salad, or even the one from Olive Garden, the salad
Ooh.
from Olive Garden.
Olive
A
Garden
little
gets
bit
the
of
best
that.
salad.
What if I went to Olive Garden and just bust this out my bag? And I was just
There
like,
it is.
and then they came over and they're like, "Ma'am, you can't do that here.
No outside.
You can't
no
change
outside
our
no foods."
recipes." Because now some lady over there, she wants the corn sticks. Oh, I took this cookie out, so we're gonna eat this cookie.
We're trying this
I
cookie.
forgot. I was gonna have you pick one out, but I grabbed it anyway. And there's like a,
Little sign or something.
it's like a sign, or maybe it's a caricature. I'm not sure.
If anybody knows, let us know in the comments.
But it looks like just like a sugar cookie, because I do see some like
like those
shiny,
ones on,
flaky things
like
on it.
You get on Christmas and stuff.
It kind of does smell like a gingerbread. I don't know. Ooh!
Oh,
Alright.
it looks.
That's a different texture. I did not expect that. It's like a...
Oh.
Oh, I think my ring light's too bright. Maybe I should turn it down. Can you see it better? Do we put my hand behind it? Oh, there you go. Yeah. It's like a flaky texture. Let me turn my light back up.
Smells okay.
Oh, kind of has like a waffle texture. Not like a real waffle, but, you know, waffle. Waffle.
It's definitely, this green stuff is definitely
Oh, I didn't taste it really.
the seaweed. The seaweed wrap. What is it called for sushi?
Nori?
Yeah, that. Yeah, that's what's on the top.
Really? Oh, see.
I
It
do
does
eat
smell like
seafood.
that.
I do like seafood.
Well, there you go.
I do like.
Oh, water break now?
Well, that one had like a strong flavor to it. It's almost
Ah.
like those tea ones for me. Like the ocean flavor stuff. Throw off all my other taste. No, that one's a strong one.
I mean, I don't know what... I remember I ate sushi one time. It tasted super like the ocean. I don't think it was good.
Yeah,
Well, I
it's
feel
probably
like
a
it's
bad
good
fish.
sushi when it doesn't taste like the ocean.
It tastes like you can just taste the crab and everything.
Yeah. Oh,
gonna
I
go
love
with-
crab rolls. Like salmon rolls.
Ooh, this one feels.
It
Almost has
has
the
a
same
little
feeling.
man with a hamburger, and it says fast you food.
It looks like the McDonald's sign, but
Or maybe
it's
it's
the
supposed
U.
to say you fast food. It says teriyaki on it. We got
Ooh.
words, guys. We got words. We have some clues, and we have some words, and we have... Is that a monkey? We have a monkey, and he wants that hamburger, and I hope he gets it. But the hamburger sees him coming. This is like a whole story.
It literally is, and then I gotta eat it, and,
Like a whole story.
and I'm gonna know why that monkey wanted the
So
hamburger.
it's teriyaki. I'm gonna call this one teriyaki hamburger.
It's a teriyaki burger.
Oh, it's like a stick.
Well, that's new.
Oh, it smells like teriyaki. Oh no.
It's
Yeah.
and it's hollow in the middle. Like there's like a legit hole all the way through.
I'm gonna vacuum in here.
Yeah.
So, oh, there you go. Come on. You're gonna vacuum in here, man.
Ah, set me up. Oh yeah, it has a strong teriyaki smell.
It feels like a Funyun. I'm not mad at it. It's kind of salty.
Yeah, it does taste.
Yeah.
It feels like a Funyun when you crunch into it, but like softer, just a little bit softer than a Funyun.
Like the Cheeto Puffs, but the ones that look like popcorns.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
Yep.
That's what it feels like. The Cheeto Puffs that they have that are shaped like popcorn.
But yeah, you can taste the flavoring on this one too.
It's not bad though. It's just a little bit salty, but tastes fine. So far, I'm okay with the snacks. I'm okay with it. We haven't got anything gross or anything.
This pink bag looks cool.
All right, watch this be gross.
You jinxed us, don't do it. That's hopefully
Ichigo cream? Ichigo. Ichigo.
Ichigo.
Ichigo.
cream.
Ichigo cream. If I say that wrong, that's my bad. Okay, they feel like cookies. Oh,
Oh,
they're freaking Ritz crackers.
they are Ritz.
Here. So it looks like a Ritz cracker.
Oh, like the
And
peanut butter one.
I guess there's cream in the middle. Cause it says cream.
It smells good.
Smells like strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
Is it strawberry? I can't tell. I should have opened it like an Oreo.
Yeah. It's like a strawberry.
Probably tastes like strawberry. And it also tastes like Ritz cracker. And I like both those things.
That was a good. That's a good one.
It stuck to my mouth though.
I know what you're saying. Definitely the same effect as Ritz cracker.
Ugh. All right, we're doing so well so far.
We're not almost to the bag.
I know.
Really,
But for $20, 30 snacks.
Oh, what's this thing?
I mean, you don't have to eat them all at one time like we are. It's like one a day. You got a whole month full of like
It's
snack.
like this one's like a Jello
You
shot.
got snack subscription.
It's a Jello shot of pineapple.
These are like those ones that they sell on the Paletta carts. You know, the little.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I think that's all this is. It's Jello. Pineapple. Though.
Hopefully it's not a liquid though, like a sheet back one.
Can't open it.
Oh, nice. The perfect
Here.
open.
You eat it. I want you to have it. I want
Yeah.
to thank you so much for being here. You have it. Eat the whole thing. Just there you go. I know you eaten one in your lifetime. Come on. I used to eat these when we were kids. It tastes like pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Pineapple, but a little bit more sour.
Sour pineapple Jello in that cup.
It was okay.
It was an experience.
I thought I was gonna throw it, but no.
Shut up. What's that one?
This one has a cereal coat on it.
All right. So here's this little package.
It's unknown.
Looks like a itsy bitsy flower on there.
Oh,
It's
it looks like a little fruit.
I want you to. I want
it's
you
gonna
to
be a
have
grape.
this.
It's gonna be those grapes. I seen it on that one
No, don't.
girl's thing on her YouTube, Sniper Wolves. She went to go to Japan and tried the grapes.
I want you to have this stuff. It's so hard.
It's a grape. It's like a raspberry type thing.
So it looks like that on the inside. I don't want to eat it. Nope.
Is it sour?
It's something.
Let me know.
Do you want to bite the other side?
No.
Don't you?
You're scaring
Isn't
me.
your whole life
Okay.
you want to be like Sniper Wolf?
No.
like all you've ever
she's
thought
hella
of.
millionaire.
They're hard though. So this is the first one I don't like so far. You just power through that.
You swallowed your.
No. It's attached to the other end still.
Oh, okay.
So this is gonna be a no. I'm gonna put that over there. Ooh. This one looks like a banana on the front. Sorry, I forgot to show it to them. Banana. And it looks like a kind of banana. It smells like banana.
It's like a.
Oh,
Paste.
okay.
Is it
Oh
nut?
my
Is it
gosh.
marshmallow? Oh yeah, we're definitely in the back.
It's everywhere. Oh, there's like chocolate in the middle
Oh,
or
it smells
something.
good. Oh, you know what it smells like? Those lollipop, no, those ice creams on the ice cream trucks that are banana and peanut on them with chocolate.
Who buys those? Oh god.
I do.
Yeah,
People
go
do.
to the
They're
ice cream truck and you get a SpongeBob
Those are never my
ice
favorites.
cream.
Oh, yep.
It's a marshmallow. And it got a banana on it. That's a lot of banana.
Mm.
I can tolerate that, but I did not like it.
Those like
It was too much banana. It made it kind of chalky.
And the chocolate in there is pretty good. Quality chocolate. We're going for next big bag.
Okay, so this one has some farm animals and they're singing. And oh, this one, his book says menu on it. Ooh, these ones kind of look like those circle thingies that we're eating. The balls that we like so much.
Oh, you know what these taste like?
Mustard?
No, remember those ketchup chips from the other video? Except these ones have like more seasoning on them. Like not ketchup
Is it
seasoning.
like onion seasoning or something? I can't really tell.
It's like a garlic almost.
Well,
But it kind of, when you first bite into it,
maybe I'm just a fan of the texture.
it tastes like those ketchup chips from our other video that we had.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we ate some ketchup chips from the Philippines in one of our other videos. And Nestle said he didn't like them because they taste like too much ketchup.
Like that one was like rich ketchup, like thick.
He says some nonsense like that all the time.
I'll tell you, you can taste the difference.
Ooh.
Damn, that's like
Ice
hard candy.
stick lipstick. I don't know why it was so hard for me to read that. It was in English.
You're just shocked at
Just so much happening. It was that little thing.
Yeah,
It's
the
throwing me
flavoring's
off.
throwing us off right now. It's like a lollipop.
Looks like this. So we got this one. But it doesn't tell me flavors. It just says assorted fruit flavors. They taste like the lollipops you get when you go to the doctors and they're like, oh, can I have a lollipop? It's sugar free.
Oh.
You know, that just come in like this, like the see-through plastic.
Yeah,
you
the
know?
colored.
And they're round and they kind of cut your tongue sometimes. That's fine.
It's sharpen them.
It's a lollipop. It's a lollipop.
That's
Hey, it's a lollipop. Okay?
good. We can't go around with lollipops.
Just
Lollipops are
lollipop.
lollipops.
Okay. Your turn.
I'm having high hopes for this one.
Ooh, this is like a, what's it called? Baby bottle pop?
Ooh, I was hoping they're gonna be like Pop Rocks.
It is not.
Oh, there's something in it too.
It looks like this, and then when you feel it, it's like has sugars, and then there's a stick. And yeah, it shows you on the back. You lick it, you stick it in the bag, you eat it. Like a baby bottle pop is what we have here in the States. Here. Go ahead. Yeah. No,
You gotta get- yeah, lick
you
it first.
Yeah, no, you
How are
gotta
you supposed to get this?
put the whole thing in your mouth. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, getting that sugar twist in there, and bam, whole completely different.
You gotta show them it. They don't believe you had sugar on there. I left my lollipop. Oh, it's right here. He's like pointing at the floor. It's not there, Nesto.
There's lots of blue. Look at this. All over the. I was definitely confused.
Sugars. Not as sour as baby bottle pop sugar stuff, but it's candy. Yeah, so that is a bag. Poor thing.
I was picking the wrong side to reach into.
No! There's a fish on it.
Oh, they do like to make fish stuff.
I saw shrimp chips once. I really want to try those.
I think I've had them. They're pretty good. Wow, that shocker face. I was like, oh, yep. This smells definitely like fish food.
Hurry up. It does smell like
Yeah,
fish
the
food.
flake ones. The flake ones you give to the... I
used
always
to
wondered
feed
what
this
those...
to my goldfish.
I always wondered what they tasted like. don't know.
It's like fish jerky. I don't want to eat it. Just put that there. Put this in the no section. That's an acquired taste.
It's like fish jerky. It's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna choose these bunnies because the bunnies can't hurt us. See how cute their packaging is? They got cute everything. They probably have, I don't know. We were out there designing for them. They got like cool graphic artists happening over there. Okay, they're like little. They look like little bun rolls.
But like,
I don't like it, but it's fine. They just kind of taste like,
I don't even know what they taste like.
maybe like a waffle cone, kind of. I don't know. They smell like vanilla. But I'm gonna pass on that.
Me too.
I'm gonna pass on the bunny, but it wasn't the worst thing ever.
It didn't hurt.
Yeah.
But
Like if your life depended on it, I could eat half that bag.
okay, because then, yeah.
Your mom will eat
We'd
the
have
other
to
half.
go 50-50. I'm gonna go with...
They have a Pikachu!
No way.
Oh, shit.
You dropped... It's well. Alright, let's just try those.
It's a Pika.
It is a Pikachu. Let's not ruin the picture.
I love Pikachu. But they're all... I'm gonna slide it out because I want to keep the Pikachu. Yes. My Pikachu.
How did you spot that though? I was like, a Pikachu. Oh.
Something's happening. It's gum.
It's like lemon gum. Or
Yeah, it's kind of sweet, but it's a little bit tart. It tastes like Smarties. Look at this. Look, they're like
in a tin.
they're like pills. Pop them
I'm
out.
hoping they're not.
And it's like a number 3. That's like here,
Which pill do I want? The red.
the brown one.
The brown. Ooh, they kind of look like M&Ms.
I'm gonna have the pink. Oh, it does look like an M&M. Well, that one does.
Oh, mine has a smell to it. I don't think they're M&Ms.
It's the no. Those ciclets. The circles, but it looks
Oh,
like a caterpillar.
Okay, yeah.
That's what it is. The candy, it's like a chocolate ball, and it has a little like hard shell, and the packaging looks like a worm or a caterpillar. I think they're called ciclets.
Yeah.
Ciclets. I don't
Something
know.
like that, but I know what you're saying.
That's exactly what these are, and I like
Those
these.
are good. I was gonna say, this
Oh, I dropped it.
tastes familiar.
It's gone. It's gone. Oh, they're starting the fireworks again today. Put these over here.
And they're still light up.
There is still some light out. It is probably like 8:30 already. 9.
I'm thinking. What is this do?
The little guy, and he's waving. Hello. Seems like a nice person.
Let's see, look like a fisherman.
All right, we got some. They look like French fries, kind of. Like really short French fries. They're more crunchy, chippy thingies.
They're okay.
It's
They're
like
most
churro.
like one that without flavoring.
Yeah, one without flavoring that was cooked for too long. Do it
Good
again.
taste.
I swear. That's an overcooked churro with no sugar.
No flavoring or powder in it.
It's not terrible. not
It's
terrible.
alright. Ooh, this is another, like one of those breadstick things.
Oh, but this one doesn't have like a name on it. So we had where'd it go? We had this breadsticky thing with the monkey and the guy and the hamburgers, and this one has a king and a mad scientist perhaps on the bottom. And this one doesn't have anything in English on it, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to taste like. It looks like a Cheeto.
Oh, it's gigantic Cheeto. Oh, your barbecue Cheeto.
Barbecue Cheeto.
Wow, this could be
That's
the
really
new.
good.
This could be the new wave.
That's good.
It really is.
Do you like just eat one of these and that's like if you ate a chip bag?
I don't know.
I wonder if I could read their calorie count. 44 cal.
Oh yeah, it could be.
Yeah. But there's a K in front of the cal. But I believe that's the same thing. Though, yeah, that's a barbecue stick. That was good. A squirrel and a bunny, and they're having a wonderful day out at a park. And there's some birds. And they're eating sandwiches. Maybe it tastes like a sandwich. Maybe we're about to Willy Wonka this. I think they're just Smarties. But yeah.
Oh, they do just look like Smarties. Are they? No. That one came back out before I could get one.
So good.
Here I go. I'll take this little tablet.
When you start seeing things. I need my water.
Whoa. Whoa. So that was a pink one.
That was the pink one. I ate the white one, and I was not pleased.
Kind of almost made my mouth dry up.
I'm trying to get it.
That one's a no from me.
This one says Choco Snack, so it is a chocolate snack. And it looks like a Choco Snack. Oh, it's kind of
Another
melted.
stick one?
It's a little melted.
Same thing.
It has that,
This company is on fire with
they're
those.
on fire. Whoever got the stick company, you got it.
Someone
that
sent us the
texture.
link.
And then it just has chocolate coated around it, so it's like really good. Here, me.
Whatever company's out there making all these little stick ones, keep it up. It's
Mhm.
working out there.
It's good. I really like this barbecue one. Was so good. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks. I like it. My favorite thing so far is still those little ball thingies. And then it's going to be the barbecue one.
Oh, these are just gummy bears.
Oh. We must try them. What if they're different from our Haribos? Did I say it? Is it Haribo or Haribo?
I think it's Haribo.
It's just a little bear living his life.
No,
Nope, that's a bunny bear.
they're the same.
But at least it wasn't bad.
Oh, please be Pop Rocks. They look like Pop Rocks.
I think they are. I hate Pop Rocks.
I'll take one for the team.
They have like little white tablets in there.
Uh-huh.
Can they see? You can see there's like little white tablets there at the bottom, and then the blue rocks that kind of look like Pop Rocks. Here. Go ahead.
It almost reminds me of this
Stop
movie.
dropping stuff on the floor. Go ahead.
I was supposed to do these at the same time. No.
Yeah. The white things are just sour.
Oh yeah. Oh, when the white things pop,
Do it? Oh crap.
when you crunch into them.
Shh, we're ASMRing. Well, that brought you joy. I'm very happy. Ew. They do pop. I didn't think they pop. You can have them. They're good, but you can have them.
I've been waiting for these. I always wanted to try.
Oh, I
some.
swallowed it a little too soon. It popped.
I always wanted to try these style of them.
My mouth is still going.
I'm gonna save these for after the video, guys. Those are actually really good to me.
Yeah.
I like those.
They're good. I don't like Pop Rocks. There you go. We're down to the bottom of the bag.
I'm going for this little thing. Butterscotch.
Okay.
I better have a different shape.
I assume it's the
The Welts.
well, Werther's.
Yeah, the one that's a brown bag with the little cottage on it. Same thing.
Also Werther's.
It's a little soda.
He's so cute. So it's probably like a grape soda gummy thingy. Looks like a soda bottle. It's two-toned. There's the top tone, like pinkish, and then yellow. There you go.
It's a very strong.
Tastes like a peach ring.
It
You know,
does
like,
taste like peach.
but you know, like those circle rings that we get? Apple rings, peach rings, all that stuff.
Where's the pack? Good jing.
Here. Look, the sun went down. Here's one more of those little small gummy thingies, and this one just has a girl on the front, and she has a soup. What if this is like miso or something?
Miso soup.
Like a flavoring or something. There you go.
Oh, unless you fish or something. Oh no.
You get that. You
I don't know.
have a wonderful day. What is it? Tell me. Tell us.
Looks like
What are you experiencing? What journey are you on right now?
what has the seasoning? Like a seasoning, like what are they called? Mangoes.
Mangoes.
It tastes like the mangoes
Mangoes?
with the red pepper on it.
I told you I don't like tamarind. That stuff, but
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, put it away. I don't like it. Oh, let's do this one. It's like a little black packaging with red letters. Letters, or I don't know what to call them.
I mean, another bottle. It's a jawbreaker or something.
I mean, I wouldn't bite it.
Well, don't bite it. Oh,
It's coffee. It's coffee candy.
coffee. Does it have caffeine in it?
Probably. It's just coffee candy. So I mean, I'll eat it later. I think it's like coffee.
In the morning.
Like a regular coffee. Okay. We have these little flowers. And I assume these are going to be horrible. They're just going to be like hard candies and gross. They are. Put that in this bag. They're just hard candies. This is our last one.
Yeah.
And it is a strawberry cookie of some sort.
It kind of looks like the one, the other video that we did too.
Oh, yeah. Like
Made
those,
one of those strawberry cookies.
I like those ones that were rolled up that had like stuff in the middle. They're like rolls of cookies, and they came that thing, and I couldn't get it out of the container. I remember this.
I do remember that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I missed those ones.
Oh, they got like a little heart thing on
Oh,
it.
they did. I'm over here already stuffing my face. Cookies.
Yep, that was good.
So, there were only like 5 things we didn't like. Maybe 6.
Let me see if I can do it.
This one was the worst. We didn't like this. It's like fish jerky or dried out fish or something. The other ones weren't too bad. That little red fruit thingy.
Oh,
No. You don't have to. It's okay. You're
It's
gonna
right
drop
here.
it
I got it.
everywhere.
this thing.
Yeah. So these 2 are like my least favorite. I did not like those. My favorite, of course, were these little balls. The corn, Texas corn. And this chipstick.
Yeah, I think the chipstick ones.
Those are so good.
Those are that company is doing it. They're out there. This candy.
The other stuff were kind of just like fine.
These 2 are good. The sugaring for the lollipop.
Oh.
And the Pop Rocks all-time
No, they're
favorite.
fine. They're just Pop Rocks.
Bag of chip
I'm gonna
O's.
find these on Amazon. Okay. Anyway. But yeah, that's everything we are trying today. Our bag is empty. It just has some trash in it now. Anyway, and we did that mochi video, so if you got... Oh my god, stuff is coming out of my bag. There's a hole in it. Anyway, so we just did a mochi video, and we tried different mochis, and the box they came in was really cute. So if you want to go ahead and watch that video, I will put the little squares here and like here for you to watch our other videos. No, I'm not that fancy. I can't do it like that. They will be here.
They're in this area.
This general area. Some of our older videos you guys can watch. Leave a like for Nesto, and I will have him around more often. This is my nephew.
How's it going?
We look alike, right?
Yep.
It's kind of weird. Anyway, so have a good night, guys. Well, it's nighttime for us. So have a good day, and we will see you later.
Don't forget to subscribe, everybody.
See you later. Bye.
Peace out.